When the air horn blows. Ready, set, go.
We just finished up our 8th annual Ambulance Chase 5K and Fun Run. This is an annual event. We specifically do it the beginning of Memorial Day weekend. We do use it as a fundraiser. And it's an opportunity to mingle with the citizens that we serve. It's really fun to work with the runners. They're very upbeat people. They certainly enjoy running. That's why they're out here. And they really enjoy being part of the community.
It's great to be athletic. It's great to be together. It's great to do it with the community. It also supports a really good cause.
We do raise some money from this event through our sponsors and the runners. This money goes towards our apparatus and equipment, which is very, very expensive to keep up. We just ordered a brand new ambulance, so you can see that there's a big demand for raising money for the fire station. 100% of everything that we raise goes right towards the cause. This year we had Mother Nature cooperate, and we had great weather. A little over 200 total runners turn out today. Part of this event, we sponsor a fun run up front, and mostly it's kids, but we encourage parents to run along with them and actually participate.
All right, you can stop.
We certainly make sure that runners can stay well hydrated. We have water at various places.
It's great to be together. It's great to do it with the community. It also supports a really good cause. We love doing it. Truly 5 years of doing it. We hope to do it again next year.